I love how every single table has full-size bottles of sanitizer. Like, tell me if where you live this would fly, because where I'm from, somebody would have take up the buckle them one by one, put them in a them purse and carry them home long time. Welcome back to the vlog. We are at La Plancha. I had to get me a frappe because after a year and a half, I'm still not, tempered to Merida heat. I'm inside. The big ass fans are going. Literally big ass fans. That's the name of the brand. And me just a bun up. I was like, I'm hungry, but I can't eat the food right now. I need ice. Now I see why Mexicans, Meridians walk around just eating ice cream. You just always see people with ice cream in them. And I get it now. I completely get it now. Anyways, they have a free Circus type show here at the park. Again, your city could never. Like, just a free, good quality show. So I think it ends this week, so we're here to check it out. This one brought her skates, and I hear that they're free bike rentals. Let me see if I work up the courage to get on the bike, but somebody better use these skates. I don't know how to ride slow. You gotta go first and I'll catch up. Go. Come. Foot one, foot two. Let's go. Whoa, me take up young girl things. Me tushy hurt me. The bike do me up. Oh, it's a beautiful sunset in the background. They're about to start a Zumba class out there. I don't even know if it's Zumba because I saw some of them in hula hoops. Maybe they're about to hoop. Hoopy hoop. We're about to go watch the show. Beautiful. I don't know where they're sitting. Oh, I think I sit down. Let me chime in and just say how seriously impressed I was by the performers. I don't know where they're from, but I was just so impressed that this quality of show was brought to us here in Merida, and it was 100% free. It lasted for 1 whole month. So, you know, the whole city, if you were interested, you had the opportunity to go check it out at the park. And it lasted about an hour and 20 minutes, I want to say. It was just really, really nice. A nice family event to get out to the park. The park itself is already a beautiful location. Y'all saw we were riding bikes and doing skating. So even just for that, just for going and having some lunch or some dinner and taking in some physical activity, let me tell you something. Parque La Plancha is one of the best spaces in all of Merida, and it's supposed to be. It is marketed as kind of like Merida's Central Park. So yeah, it is a nice park. So this little funny guy here, he came out and he did some, you know, he tried to challenge Miss Hula Hoop with his big old ring, but then he came in and did his own tricks on the ring. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the whole performance of everybody, but I wish I could share the music that went along with the performances, because when she come out and do a little flighting, trust me man, the music that goes with it just enhances the show so much. But you know, I can't, you know, copyright strike. So you're just gonna have to take my word for it that we were in awe. You know, the whole performance took our breath away, and it was a little bit of something. It wasn't a whole heap of contortionists or people doing wild things, but it was just enough to whet our appetite, and everybody enjoyed themselves. Trust me on that one. So right after the show, we walked over to Tammy's house. Tammy is currently living right across from La Plancha Park. She saw a bunch of us going over there and she's like, hey guys, I am going to cook some Nigerian meals, so come on over. I would love to host you all. And you know, we walk with the belly now we on. So from we hear food, we said no problem. So we went over and we had some Nigerian stew and some woolly things, and it was all delicious and it was a great time. Good morning and happy Easter. It is Easter Sunday and I'm all dolled up. I don't know if you can see. I am going to a high tea event put on by one of the expats here in Merida, Mexico. So I have 2 Easter events today. Come with me for what should be a fun-filled day. Let's go. Child, that event then never ready yet. Can you believe 1.5 hours after sitting there, it was cancelled? Like, me not get no food for eat. Me barely get 1 cup of tea. Not no going for me. Me don't know what going for the organizer. I guess they had some issues. Yeah, it kind of put a bad taste in my mouth for sure, for sure. I'm definitely gonna vet some of these events that these expats have a little bit more. But I didn't let it ruin my day. I had another event, as I said, and this one came off so much better. I went home to nap. That's what you see here going on. And then I went out to my Jamaican friend. Yes, there are a handful of other yardies here in Mexico. This is the backyard of her home. She's currently renovating. But what a beautiful zapote tree, or as we know in Jamaica, naseberry. Woo! With it out there, stone it, but me never get nothing off it. You know, naseberry tree, very mean. Anyway, she fry up some saltfish fritters a long time and I eat them something here, you know. I was so happy. Did I show y'all my full fit? Here is the outfit that I had on. Me just keep it on all day because the first event did flop. So I kept on my cute little outfit, and here is the spread. I know you can't see properly, so let me show you my plate. Listen, we had ackee and saltfish, gungo rice and peas, all breadfruit, and bun and cheese for Easter. Anyways, guys, I have a surprise. I am now a legal immigrant of Mexico. I got my residency. I'm going to do a live to talk about it soon. Look out for it. But I've been busy. Guess what's going on in this picture? Leave any comments and questions you have about residency or about what's going on in this picture. I will see y'all in the next video, but let's chat in the comments below for now. Walk good. I will see you all soon.